Hello, today we're going to learn how to use the News tab in the side menu of your control panel. You will select Communication and then News. Here you can view the list of news registered in the admin panel. By clicking on the small pencil icon, you can view and edit any of the information, as well as delete the item altogether. To add more news to the list, you can click on the green Add button. The fields that have an asterisk are mandatory fields, so you need to fill them in to officially save your item. Adding an abstract is not required, but you must add a description, content, image, as well as if it is active or not. I'm going to add our description, an abstract, content, and I'm going to add an image by choosing one from my computer. You can then select the sizing that you need, and a preview of how the image will look in your app will appear to the side. Yes, it is active, and when you're done, don't forget to save your edits. Back on the news list, you can click on the little bell icon underneath the pencil to send your users a notification of your news. Just hit Send Notification. To access this through the app, you will click on News, and here you will be able to view the list of registered news in the control panel. The News feature was created to be a quick and convenient way to share information with your congregation. If you need any assistance using this feature or your app, please do not hesitate to contact us through our support channels. Thanks, and talk to you soon.